Hi guys. Let's see how the Focus Assist works in Windows 10 computer. First search Settings and go to the Settings panel. There you can see System and select System. There are several menus left-hand corner, so you have to select Focus Assist. Focus Assist, choose which notification you'd like to see and hear so you can stay focused. There are three options you can see. First, you can off the Focus Assist, then you can get all the notifications from your apps and contacts. Second option is priority only. You can see only selected notifications from the priority list. You can customize your priority list like this. You can select Show incoming calls including VoIPs. You can select Show reminders, regardless of app used. You can select Show notification from pinned contacts on taskbar. You can add contacts in here. The process can be continue like this. You can select apps to show notification. This can be added to the list like this. You can select any app you like in here, and I selected Skype. After selects, you can see the app appears here like this. Or you can remove the apps that on the list also as your preferences. So let's go back to see the next option. Third option is alarms only, and this hides all the notifications except for alarms. Then there are automatic rules that we can on or off as our like. This chooses the times and activities when you don't want to be disturbed. You can switch on or off these options separately as your preference. It has duplicating your display when playing a game, using apps in full screen mode. And you have the option to get a summary of what you missed while Focus Assist was on. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.